This is the true big Bitcoin calm before the storm. Bitcoin is still getting squeezed, but a massive breakout is going to be inevitable. Bitcoin is already breaking outside of this falling wedge pattern, so we are going to need to be talking about that exactly and much more in today's update video, because history is exactly repeating for the Bitcoin price section. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into that short term. And in that short term, Bitcoin is still getting squeezed inside of this symmetrical triangle. Of course, we have been seeing many fake outs already during this week. But yeah, it is looking like right now, this is going to be that final squeeze before we are finally going to be seeing that breakout either towards the upside or towards the downside. Now, we are already breaking outside of this falling wedge pattern, in my opinion. And at the same time, we are getting this breakout retest at this current moment, bouncing back towards the upside. So if we can be keeping up this momentum, which we are right now getting, I definitely do think that a way bigger move is around the corner, because at the same time, Bitcoin is sitting at a massive level of support. We are getting this Bitcoin bullish divergence. The Bitcoin metrics are looking very good. All of the liquidity is sitting at the top side. The Bitcoin funding rates are still sitting extremely low, and the Bitcoin market sentiment is sitting at levels of fear, which is generally a good time to buy. So yeah, combining all of these facts together, and also on top of that we are already seeing this break towards the upside outside of this falling wedge, well, it is making me believe that a massive breakout towards the upside is just going to be highly likely. But do keep in mind, currently we are trading at a Friday, so if we are not yet going to be seeing this massive breakout, well, it can still be taking a little bit longer, because we're going to be approaching a weekend, and during the course of the weekend, well, volatility tends to be even lowered, fake outs tend to be more common, so we need to be seeing this breakout either today, or we still need to be waiting even longer. Now, in my opinion, it is just going to be a matter of time until eventually we are going to be seeing this massive breakout, because the Bitcoin price action right now is just like a ball being held underwater, and eventually, well, it just needs to come up again, and eventually we are just going to be seeing this massive breakout. We cannot squeeze inside of these patterns for an unlimited amount of time. Eventually we will need to see this massive breakout, but do keep in mind, well, still we need to be breaking above our Bitcoin EMA ribbons, in my opinion. I've been saying this for the last couple of days. The Bitcoin EMA ribbons are going to be the most important level of resistance to be having a look in towards. And yes, we've been seeing massive rejections by the EMA ribbons over here, but eventually whenever we are going to be breaking above, that is going to be the turning point, and I think that is going to be the moment where we are going to be reversing back towards the upside. Now, an interesting fact is that Bitcoin is exactly repeating history from 2021, also exactly during the January-February period, and after repeating this price action over here, well, we have seen this pullback. And after that pullback, we've seen this continuation towards the upside and another massive rally towards the upside. And that has also been exactly the moment where the altcoins have been starting to pop towards the upside. Now, right now, the price action is looking exactly the same. We are right now in our pullback phase, so if history were to be repeated, well, we are about to be headed towards the upside again with a massive continuation, and we can be seeing these altcoins once again exploding and popping off towards the upside. So anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with the first link down below, you can be claiming an insane deposit bonus, and also you can be pretty easily claiming a Rolex. So all you need to do is sign up a new account. With the first link down below, just deposit some money, start trading with some money, and you can be easily getting these deposit bonuses and also a free Rolex. Now, if Blofin is not going to be available in your country, then you want to be checking out Bybit, because Bybit is the most regulated exchange, also with a $40,000 deposit bonus. But yeah, Blofin is the best exchange right now out there with the biggest deposit bonuses. Anyways, if we are going to be zooming out for Bitcoin, well, we are still just going parabolic over here. We're just in our consolidation phase, just like we have been doing, for example, right over here. And we can be having a look into this chart, but Bitcoin history is exactly being repeated right now. Right now, we are just seeing our consolidation after our bull flag breakout, but we still have massive price targets sitting above us from this head and shoulders breakout. The 130K, that is going to be the target. And also from this bull flag breakout, breakout, we're having a target of the 146k level. So still massive and massive targets above us, but I still do think that the massive opportunity right now in the market for that longer term is going to be with altcoins, because Ethereum is massively undervalued in the market right now. Major altcoins are also undervalued in the market, and I just think that the best opportunity is going to be with Ethereum. Donald Trump is also buying Ethereum right now at this current moment. The big players are buying Ethereum, while retail is getting fearful and getting bearish on Ethereum. They are selling off their Ethereum while the big players are loading up. So clear signal for me that altcoin season is just around the corner. It's just about to start, and I want to be accumulating as many Ethereum, as many altcoins right now at this current moment. And having a look into this chart, we can clearly be seeing right now, we are seeing the breakdown retest of the Bitcoin dominance, and this is just going to be marking the start of the altcoin season at this current moment. Once again, this is going to be a longer term play. It is not going to be playing out overnight. It's going to be taking multiple weeks, if not even months, in order for this to be playing out, but eventually we will be getting rewarded, in my opinion. So guys, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.